Nodes represent the servers, like hosts in Ansible. It's shown in purple on the right. It can be physical or virtual. Each node belongs to one environment in one organization. One node only belongs to development or only to production, not to both. Each node has 0 or more roles. Roles in Chef are similar to roles in Ansible. They represent the types of servers, like a database server, a VPN server, an app server, or a monitoring server. Roles typically include a run list, which is a list of Chef configuration files to be applied. For example, the role VPN may include OpenVPN in the run list. It also includes data attributes, attributes necessary to configure the infrastructure, like variables. For example, the OpenVPN IP, the port, or other settings. Chef Client, in gray on the right, is an application that runs on each node, and the node is shown in purple. This is something that Ansible doesn't have. Chef Client gathers the current system configuration. It downloads the desired system configuration from the Chef server periodically, by default every 30 minutes. Chef server is shown in blue on the right. It configures every node so the node's state matches the policy described by the Chef server. The big difference here is that if you were using Ansible, you would push the state. If someone logs in and changes something, Ansible would not be able to fix it until you manually would run the Ansible command again. With Chef, the client continuously pulls the desired system configuration from the Chef server. If a file has changed, it will be overwritten during the next Chef client run. Chef ensures each node complies with the policy. Chef client, again in gray on the right, runs on the node, which is in purple. Chef client will pull the policy from the server in blue, and Chef server will enforce the policy on that node. It's really a pull model, not a push model. Push with Chef is also possible, but the default way of doing it is pull. The policy describes what state each resource should be in, and the policy is determined by the configuration in the run list. The goal is to reduce management complexity through abstraction. This can be done by having the infrastructure as code and to store the configuration of your infrastructure in version control, just like Ansible. A resource represents a piece of a system and its desired state, shown in the gray box on the right. For example, a package that needs to be installed, a service that needs to be running, a user that needs to be present, a scheduled task that needs to be configured. Resources are the building blocks of Chef configuration. Resources are included in recipes, and recipes ensure the system is in a desired state. Recipes are like playbooks in Ansible.